Hello, psychology majors throughout the Kenai Peninsula and beyond. This is Michelle Fellows from Soldotna, and Brian Partridge from Homer and I just wanted to say hello. We hope you guys are doing well and enjoying the end of the winter and start of the spring. We want to share with you a little bit about what's coming up in KPC's psychology program, specifically related to what's going on in registration. So registration is beginning today for veterans and will start next week for everybody based on their credit load. So we wanted to point out that there's a really cool opportunity this semester where if you get registered into 6 or more KPC credits before April 19th, you'll be added into the prize pot for winning one of $250 scholarships. So a little bit of free money is available if you get registered earlier than later. And if you're planning to do any fishing this summer, you might be distracted with that when it's time for school to start. So registering now will get it off your plate. In terms of what KPC is offering, we wanted to give you a sense of our modalities because COVID still isn't totally over, so we still have some changes to the classes that we're going to be offering. So for Introduction to Psychology, we will be offering that fully online, but we also are going to do an option in person or by Zoom. So when you register, you can register either to come into the class in Homer in the building or to join that same class by Zoom. The same thing will be happening for our Lifespan Development class, except it will be in Kenai Soldotna campus at the KRC campus. We'll also offer that online. In addition, I wanted to highlight a couple of things. If you are ready to be taking the research methods class, we are going to be offering that via Zoom. UAA is also offering it, but fully online. So if you feel like you would benefit from being able to meet once a week on Zoom, that's going to be Tuesday nights from 5:30 to 6:45. Then keep our section in mind. Additionally, we're going to be doing the same thing with our positive psychology class. That'll be at 4 p.m. on Tuesdays via Zoom. If you're looking for another elective, Sensation and Perception is another really interesting one that UAA doesn't offer, but Brian does teach down here. Also, if you're getting close to the end of your time, I wanted to throw out a heads up that UAA has a capstone option this semester that they haven't offered in a while, and that's the Sci 412 class, History of Psychology, and that will be fully online. So if you're in need of a capstone and getting close to graduating, please take a look at that. So from the website, again, here are the list of dates that you will be able to register based on the number of credits that you have. So please reach out to Brian or I. We like to talk and hear about what's going on in your lives and your progress towards your educational and career goals. So send us a note, send us an email, and register sooner or later. Thanks. Have a great rest of the day and a great weekend.